Okay, you are writing PSW on the 2nd of June. On the first page of your learning paper, positive self-image, who am I? Each person is different from one another. Everyone has different interests, hobbies, and talents. Okay, what are friends? A friend is a person with whom you feel a bond. There are two types of friends, good friends and bad friends. Good friends are someone you can trust with your secrets. A good friend is also really interested in what is going on in your life and how you think and feel. Good friends accept you for who and what you are. Bad friends are someone you cannot trust. They are not really interested in you and only look for you near them to make their image look good. Bad friends involve you negatively and encourage you to do wrong things like cursing, smoking, and spreading lies. Self-esteem. Self-esteem is how you see yourself and what you think about yourself. Your appearance and your personality are part of your self-image. What are strengths and weaknesses? Your strengths and weaknesses refer to a person's character. Strengths are good character traits and things you are good at. Weaknesses are negative character traits and things you struggle with or need to work on. Food hygiene. Food hygiene is the processing, preparation and storage of food and drinks in a way that reduces the risk of consumer becoming ill caused by the food. Food hygiene is also known as food safety. Is how you prepare your food so it's safe for everyone that eats it. There are 4 main defenses against the growth and spread of germs. How do I stop germs? To ensure food areas are clean and that good standards of personal hygiene are maintained. Cooking foods thoroughly. Store food at the correct temperature, preventing cross-contamination. Cross-contamination is the transfer of bacteria from foods to other foods. The bacteria can be transferred directly when one food touches another or indirectly. For example, from hands, equipment, work surfaces, or knives and other utensils. Cross-contamination is one of the major causes of food poisoning. Temperature control. Good temperature control is essential to keep certain foods safe. Products such as prepared, ready-to-eat food, cooked foods, smoked meat or fish, and certain dairy products must be chilled until they are required. You must keep them in the fridge until you need to use them. If they are not, harmful bacteria could grow or toxins could form in the food and make you ill. Personal hygiene when you are working with food. Food can be contaminated very easily when it's handled. Therefore, it is essential that you maintain good standard of personal hygiene at all times to ensure that food does not get contaminated with harmful germs. You should wash hands and dry your hands regularly when handling food in particular. You must wash your hands before you prepare food, before handling food and ready to eat food, after touching raw food, especially raw meat or fish, and after going to the toilet. You must wash your hands before you work with food. Food preparation. Food can become contaminated very easily during preparation. You should make sure to observe good personal hygiene to make sure you wash your hands. Use different chopping boards, work surfaces for raw food and ready to eat food. Use different equipment and utensils for raw food and ready to eat food wherever possible. Clean equipment and surfaces thoroughly before and after use. Avoid unnecessary handling of food. Use clean tongs, plate and trays instead. Keep chilled food out of the fridge for the shortest time possible during preparation Remember, it is very important to wash fresh fruit, vegetables and salad vegetables such as lettuce if they are being served raw. The national days in South Africa. Some of these days are national holidays as well. 1st of May is Workers' Day. On this day, we ask to remember workers' struggles for their rights and their contributions to daily life around the world. The 16th of June is Youth Day, the day that honors the death of many Soweto school children. The 21st of March is Human Rights Day, a reminder of our rights in South Africa. The 27th of April, it's Freedom Day, celebrates freedom after the first non-racial democratic election. The 24th of September is Heritage Day, celebrating culture and diversity of beliefs and traditions. The 16th of December is Reconciliation Day. Remember the end of apartheid and promoting national unity. 9 August is Women's Day. This is not a national holiday, it's only a day for women. To remember the role of women in struggle for democracy in South Africa and to honor the roles that women play in society. The 25th of May is Africa Day. Volunteer time and energy to inspire pride in our country. 18th of July, Mandela Day. Mandela was one of our presidents in South Africa. In honor of Nelson Mandela, celebrated each year on 18 July, Mandela's birthday. It is in your hands to make of the world a better place. Our history of money. In South Africa, our coins are made from steel, copper, tin and nickel. The South African Mint is in charge of making and distributing all the coins in South Africa. So the emblem on the 10-cent coin is a Cape honeybee and it's made from copper. The 20-cent is a bitter aloe and it's made from bronze. The 50-cent is a nice Naturako bird and it's made from bronze. A 1 rand is a King Protea and it's made from nickel. The 2 rand is a springbok and it's made from nickel. And the 5 rand is a southern right whale and it's made from nickel and bronze. The history of paper money. The Chinese were the first to invent paper money during the 7th century. They used paper money for hundreds of years before it spread to Europe and America. Since then, countries all over the world use paper money. South Africa currency. This is our history of our paper money. In 1782, the Dutch governor van Plettenberg introduced paper money to the Cape Colony. All notes had to be handwritten and stamped with an official government stamp, as there was no printing press until around 1803. After 1803, all notes were printed. The South African Reserve Bank, also known as SARB, issues all notes and coins in our country. There are 2 types of main bank cards that you can use. It's your debit card, your credit card. Important to know, your debit card is your own money that you deposit into your account and that you can use. Your credit card is that you're borrowing money from the bank and you must pay it back with interest every month. Page 7, your first 8 do's and don'ts. When you have cut, grazes and bleeding, what you must do, apply pressure to stop the bleeding, keep calm, assess the severity of the injury in terms of death, look to see if there are any foreign objects in the wound, cover wound with a clean, slightly wet bandage, disinfect the wound. Don't, what you are not allowed to do, is don't panic. If large and deep, don't hesitate, go straight to the emergency room. Don't breathe over an open wound. Don't try to clean a major wound. Don't push exposed body parts back in. Cover them with clean material until medical help arrives. Don't use cotton wool. Don't leave any traces of dirt, blood, or fluid on infected areas. Don't expose wounds to sunlight. Number 2 is burns. What you must do when you burn, use cool running water to reduce the temperature of the burn. Extinguish flames by rolling on the ground in severe cases. Apply clean, dry cloth in severe burns and seek medical care. Proper hygiene and dressing could be carried out. Don't apply paste, oil or raw cotton to the burn. Do not apply ice, it deepens the injury. Do not open any blisters. Do not apply any materials on the burn as it may be infected. Stings and bites. Try to remove stinger as quickly as possible using a scraping motion. Wash the area carefully with soap and water. Apply an ice pack wrapped in a cloth or a cold, wet washcloth. Give antihistamine or ibuprofen for pain. Use a tweezer to grasp the tick firmly as its head or mouth. Don't panic. Don't swat a buzzing insect. Don't twist or jerk the tick. Don't use petroleum jelly or lit a match to remove the tick. Sunburn is the most common one. Take lukewarm water or cold showers. Clean gently and skip the exfoliation. Apply your moisturizer and or pure aloe vera gel. Stay hydrated. Don't use petroleum jelly or petroleum-based products. Don't pick at your skin. Number 5, poisoning. This also happens sometimes without you being aware of it. Look for signs of poisoning like burns, consciousness, abdominal pain, nausea and vomiting. Phone the National Poison Center for advice. Place the patient on their side if they are unconscious. Don't induce vomiting. Don't give the patient anything to drink unless the center or a qualified medical person tells you to. Your last page is the difference between needs and wants. Remember, needs is what you need to stay alive. Wants is only luxuries in your life. Needs, things necessary for basic living. Essential to human life, required for survival, must have in order to stay alive, do not change over time. All individuals have the same basic needs. You must know the difference between needs and wants, all the bullets. Things you want to have, you would like to have is your wants. Non-essential but add to the quality of life, it makes your life easier. Things we don't really need, change over time. Wants may differ according to different individuals. For example, your needs can be rent or mortgage, car or public transport, water and sewage, medical care, basic toiletries, child care, groceries, oxygen and clothes. And examples for your wants can be a luxurious car, satellite TV, internet and computer, smartphone, beauty products, holidays overseas, and gifts.